Okay, guys, we're going to learn and read about how images support text, okay? So, first, what is this a picture of? What is this a picture of right here? What is this? It's a fire truck. Good, okay? So, I'm going to read this sentence about the fire truck, and I want you guys to listen first, okay? The driver of a fire truck sits in the cab. A ladder and a hose are connected to the main part of the truck. The hose is long and can stretch far from the truck, okay? So, let's read that again and find what the sentence is telling us in the picture, okay? The driver of a fire truck sits in the cab. Where's the cab on the image right here? Where's the cab? Good, it's down here. Good. So the driver sits in the cab, okay? A ladder and a hose are connected to the main part of the truck, okay? Where's the ladder? Good, right here. Where's the hose? Where's the hose on the truck? Where's the hose? We're looking for the hose. Good, it's down here. Good job, okay? The hose is long and can stretch far from the truck. What is the hose? It's long, yes, and can it stretch far or short from the truck? Far from the truck. Good, okay? All right, what else do we see in our picture that the fire truck has? What else does the fire truck have? How does the fire truck move on the road? It has wheels. Good. So it has wheels. Okay? When a fire truck's going down the road, it makes a wheel, 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 wheel. But what else does it have that shows people it's going down the road to let people know it's coming? It's big red. It flashes red. A light. Good. So we're going to circle the light, okay? And what is the long part of the truck called? There's an arrow, it's pointing, let's follow it up. It's the body. Good, the body of the truck, okay? So, we're going to flip our page. Okay. What did the text tell us, guys? What did the text tell us? Where does the driver of the truck sit? He sits in the cab. Good. So we're going to write that down. The driver sits in the cab. Good. What was connected to the main part of the truck? It's something you climb up. A ladder. Good. So we're going to write a ladder. And how did they put out fires with the truck? What sprays the water? A hose. Good. And hose, a ladder and hose are connected to what? The fire truck. Good. Okay? And last, Did the hose, could it stretch far? Or could it not stretch from the truck? Was it very short? Yes, the hoses could stretch very far. So the hose stretches far from the truck. Good. Okay. What else did we see in the picture? Let's flip back. Okay. So, we just talked about our cab, the ladder, and the hose. Okay? What else does the diagram show? What else does the picture show? What else does the fire truck have? It has a light, good. It has, how does it move on the road? Wheels, good. And a body, okay? So let's put that down. It has a light, wheels, and a body. Good. And those are all the parts to a fire truck. Good job. I hope you guys had fun learning about a fire truck today. Good job, guys.